right, so we're trying to hit each other in the balls. Didn't. Yo, that was a direct
Oh
hit.
my god.
Let's go.
Can I get curly fries? Do you guys have curly fries here? Why are you looking at me? Dude, I literally saw online that you guys carry curly fries here.
Yeah, I definitely saw it on the website.
Yeah. Shouldn't it be your pleasure to get me curly fries right now?
Yes.
Okay, so go get them. Dude, he left to go get the curly fries. Tyler and Zach, I'm not gonna say it was me because I didn't have this idea, decided that they're gonna fill this entire truck.
We're making my truck a swimming pool.
Woo!
Okay, so basically I lost a bet, so now I'm waxing my fucking, like, fuck you. I fucking hate you, Amaya. Okay.
No!
How fucking good that is! Let's do more!
Sorry. Kidding?
Oh! Oh!